To make your Charles Schwab account paperless, start by logging into your account online. Go to the Charles Schwab website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Once you are logged in, click on the Profile or Account Settings option, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Next, look for the Communication Preferences or Paperless Settings option, which may be under the Account Settings or Profile menu. Click on this option to view your current communication preferences. Here, you will see options to switch from paper statements to electronic statements for your accounts. Select the accounts you want to make paperless and choose the electronic statement option. You may be asked to confirm your email address to receive electronic statements. Make sure your email address is up to date and accurate, as this is where you will receive notifications when your statements are available online. After making the changes, review your updated communication preferences to ensure everything is set up correctly. You can also set up additional paperless options, such as electronic trade confirmations and tax documents, to further reduce paper clutter. To access your electronic statements, simply log into your Charles Schwab account online and navigate to the Accounts or Documents section. Your electronic statements will be available for viewing and printing, if needed. By making your Charles Schwab account paperless, you will reduce clutter, help the environment, and have easy access to your account documents online. It is also a good idea to set up account alerts to notify you when new statements or documents are available. This way, you will stay on top of your account activity and never miss an important document. By following these steps, you can easily make your Charles Schwab account paperless and enjoy the convenience of online account management.